Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine for you guys. This wig is from ISEE Hair. This is their 26-inch Mongolian Kinky curly in the density of 180%. And yeah, and if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But for right now, let's get into the video. I don't know which side, but you know what I mean. Bye y'all. I talk about in this video will be linked in the description box, so like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. So basically, when I got my package, I think it came from, FedEx shipped it. So yeah, it came with this box. See, it says ISEE Hair, and this is what the inside looks like. Totally cute packaging. And then it came with a hairnet on it. Came in this little plastic bag, and it says ISEE Hair, something like that on there. It came with lashes, like some mink lashes. Don't mind my nails. I'm supposed to go get my nails done today. But yeah, it came with this cute little box. I actually have the lashes on right now. They're pretty long. I like them. And came with a nude wig cap, which is I have on under this. And it also came with the pamphlet. This is actually, I forgot her name. I watch her on YouTube sometimes, but she's like the main reason why I got this wig. So yeah, shout out to her. I forgot her name, but you know, yeah. And then great. But yeah, it comes with the hair care instructions and a code to get $5 off on your next wig or something. Yeah. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna get my wig and curls back together. I glued it over my curly hair routine for you guys with this wig, and the things that I'm going to be using today is my bootleg diamond brush, which does wonders. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. Olive oil wrap mousse, which looks like this. Love this stuff. Can2 leave-in conditioner, shea butter version. Need this. And of course, your spray bottle. So we're gonna split our hair into two parts, and we're just gonna start wetting from the ends. And we're gonna get it all the way soaked. Make sure you get like the back too, because it tangles up. That's where it gets like matted up the most if you don't like detangle it at all. So, and curly hair is a lot of maintenance, especially kinky curly hair like this that are more of a tight curl instead of like a loose wave. It takes a lot of time to like get it perfect and to get it like looking the way it needs to. So if you're not one for high maintenance, or if you're someone if you're a person that doesn't want to like do your hair every day, then I don't really recommend this for you. Even though sometimes you can just wet it and then it bounces right back. But me, I like doing my hair and I do it all the time. So I literally put this wig on like 3 days ago, I think. Well, like 2 days ago. And my head, like my braids underneath, they are like, my head is itching so bad already because my scalp gets dry so fast. And I'm just like, okay girl, get it together. Scalp, get it together. Don't dry it on me yet. Okay, my hair, I like curls, how they look when they're wet. I love this pattern so much, and I believe they have bundles as well as wigs. Like for this texture, I think they have the bundles. Not sure. But yeah, then I'm gonna put some with the conditioner in. It's already some in the spray bottle, but I just, you know me, I'm extra, so we're gonna get a little bit. And this hair, I'm not gonna lie, it sheds, but all curly hair sheds. It's not over the top shedding, but it still sheds. So if you don't like that either, then this is not something I would recommend. Make sure you get the ends. The ends are like the most important part besides the back where your neck is. Yeah. So put some more. I don't know why it's not focusing. I don't know. But ends. Then we're gonna use our brush to like comb. This wig is actually like hella long. It stops like almost to my waist. I want to say a little bit under my boob area. And I'm actually like I'm 5'9" or 5'8", so it's pretty long, and it's a 26 inch. Oh, and I believe it's the 180 density wig. I love these curls. Like, these curls are everything. Do it some more. So yeah, if you guys want to see a video of me actually installing this wig, I can like redo it, because I'm probably gonna take my hair out in a couple days anyway. So yeah, I don't know why I'm so rough, but wet the ends more. The wetter, the better. See how it goes through even better. See? See how those curls bounce back? Yes, girl, yes! Yes, honey. See that? Yes, this hair is freaking bomb. I hope I'm not getting hair in my drink. Oh, okay. I had to get the Taco Bell ISEE. My lash looks so messed up right here because I sleep in my lashes, which you're not supposed to, but I don't care. So to lay my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the She Is Bomb Edge Control. I love this stuff. Like, if you don't have it, then you're going to need to get it, honey. Okay, so this is my part right here. Okay, so, and I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glue Ultra Glue, the black one. The yellow one doesn't really work for me. Like, some of my friends, they'll be like, oh, the yellow one is good, but I don't see how it's good. It doesn't do anything for me. So, and I'm using the spoolie, the disposable one. Girl, this does wonders, okay? So some swoop. Swoop. Yes, honey. I'm supposed to be going to the nail salon, but I don't have time to go. I'm not even doing anything. Tomorrow, me and my friends are having a Christmas party, and I can't wait, girl. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna be so drunk. I think I want to start back doing vlogs, because I'm not in school anymore, so I don't really feel like nothing in my life is exciting. So, but the hair reviews are starting to be lit, so now we're gonna go to the edge control. I was using the Got to Be Glue right there. Getting good baby hairs is like so hard. like it's either gonna be a hit or miss. I feel like if you can do baby hairs, then you can do them good, and if you can't do baby hairs, then your shits just look trash. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get today. So, and nobody's gonna see that anyway, so who cares? This frontal actually looks hella good. It came pre-plugged, but you know me, I'm extra. I had to plug it some more. Yes, girl. So after I do that, then I'm gonna put a little powder in the part. I use the Ruby Kisses contour book. Honestly, I'm just gonna use this brush right now because I don't feel like getting up and getting the other one. So this is gonna have to do. I'm gonna use one of these brushes, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this color. This color. Mix the two together. And then put some right here. I think that looks too light, so I'm gonna go darker. How does that look? So yeah, do you guys want to see the length? Okay, the part, baby hairs. Baby hairs are good. These are the curls. My hair looks so good. This is the hairline. Need to fix the sides. Who has time for that? So, this is the length of it. See, it stops like where my butt is. So yeah. This is basically it for this video. If you like this video, then like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, girl.